Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming you have a global admin account and purchased the right Microsoft 365 licenses. This is essential to proceed. Once done, sign in to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and add your organization details. Next, prepare the domain. Log into your DNS provider so you can add TXT records. Make sure users and groups are listed in Azure AD if you'll bulk assign licenses. This gets you past the gate. Now move to configure the domain and services. You'll add and verify your domain in the Admin Center by creating a TXT record at your DNS host. Verification proves ownership. Once verified, set MX, CNAME, and SBF records to route mail and enable Teams features. If you have on-premises Active Directory, configure Azure AD Connect to sync accounts. Otherwise, create users directly and assign licenses. Then enable Exchange, SharePoint, and Teams services for each user. Make sure to configure basic security defaults and multi-factor authentication as you enable services. You'll finish by installing Office apps or instructing users to sign into Office. COM for web apps and confirm each mailbox in Teams profile is accessible. Test mail flow by sending internal and external messages, test sign-in with an MFA challenge, and verify SharePoint sites and OneDrive sync. Once satisfied, enforce conditional access and set retention policies. If something fails, the first troubleshooting step is to check DNS records and propagation. DNS-TTL or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.